All right, I was about to leave my house when I discovered an Amazon package on the front porch. To be honest, I ordered a lot of stuff in the past couple of days, all Christmas related, so I don't even know what's in here. Ooh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, so it came to me rolled, very nice. How does it? Oh, easily open, okay. Ooh. I bought a welcome mat with little gnomes holding Christmas trees, snowflake, a little stocking. I don't know what it is, but this year I've really just embraced the gnome situation. I can't help it. All of a sudden they went from creepy to cute for me. Let's go ahead and put it in place. I've always had trouble with sizing, so it's a little on the small side. And here's what it looks like. Simply adorable. Merry Christmas.